Is your 2021 Chevy Silverado key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to quickly and easily replace the CR2032 coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, easily found at any auto parts store. First, carefully pry open the key fob case along the seam. A plastic tool is best to avoid scratches. Once open, gently remove the old battery, noting the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Finally, snap the case back together. That's it. Test the fob to ensure it's working. To ensure a smooth replacement, work in a dry environment to avoid static discharge, which can damage the key fob's electronics. If you have issues reassembling the fob, double-check the alignment of the internal components. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly by recycling it. While DIY replacement is straightforward, if you encounter problems or the fob still doesn't work, it might indicate a deeper issue requiring professional service. Using quality fresh batteries can also extend the life of your key fob. Although newer Silverado models might feature inductive charging or smartphone integration, this method applies specifically to your 2021 key fob.